Welcome to BYD Crewe. My name's Vanessa and today we've got an approved used BYD ATTO 3 design. This is finished in a skiing white colour and it's powered by a 60 kilowatt hour battery with a realistic mile range of up to 260 miles. The vehicle is equipped with full LED headlights all around, with daytime LED running lights to ensure that all your drives are illuminated, keeping you safe. And it is standing on 18-inch alloy wheels, completing the exterior look of the vehicle. Moving to the boot, we've got a 60x40 rear split in the back seats for additional storage space, and it comes with your charging cables and you can open and close it electrically. In terms of charging, we've got a max DC charge of 88 kilowatts, rapid charging your vehicle in 44 minutes from 10 to 80%, or a 7 kilowatt home charge in just over 9 hours. Moving to the inside of the vehicle, it is finished off in vegan leather. We've got a unique design of the blue leather with white as well as red stitching. And moving to the front of the vehicle, we've got a multifunctional steering wheel with a 12.8-inch electric Rotary touchscreen and comfortable front seats, which are also heated to keep you warm during winter months. In the driver's position, we've got the main dashboard display showing us the battery percentage and miles, as well as some driving modes from Eco, Normal and Sport if you need an extra kick of power. We've got a navigation map, as well as Spotify and a wide range of radio stations, so you've got a lot to choose from. There is also the BYD Assistant, making things easier, especially if you're driving. You can connect your phone to the vehicle using Bluetooth to make phone calls to your loved ones, and it is equipped with the 360 camera with a wide range of point of views, making sure you are aware of your surroundings at all times. Moving on to the settings, we've got some energy settings, vehicle and service intervals, keeping everything in one place, making it easy to navigate. We've got smart charging to schedule, and for personalization we've got themes and wallpapers, and with just one touch you can rotate the entire screen. You can use it using the button on the screen or on the steering wheel. There is also some places for your storage, and it also comes with the sunroof that you can open up at an angle to let some summer breeze in, and you can also close it with the sun blind as well if you want to keep the sunlight out. For more information on this vehicle or to book a test drive, inquire online now and our friendly sales team will give you a call. Thank you very much for watching at BYD Crewe, and we hope to see you very soon.